Usually, we create high quality videos from Higgsfield, and it's very popular now. With Higgsfield, we can create horror, epic, action, general, UGC ads, many type of videos. And the models we got here from Higgsfield, it's Clean AI, Seedance, and many more. But the Seedance here is paid, but we are going to use that Seedance model for free. So that will come over this site, dollar.com. It's a tool from where we can create free videos for Seedance. You can see here, we got the options and we can create up to 10-second video with Seedance, and we can also give here our image reference. So suppose this is our product and we want to create a UGC ad for our product. So simply type your prompt, or you can type in general text like this. Okay, you want a UGC cinematic ad for your product, and it will analyze and give you the video here. It will take a few moments, 1 to 3 minutes, and you will get your videos. Okay, so you got your video right. And the best part, you can create videos every day for yourself. And for the watermark, what you can do, you can crop this one, or you can visit. There are a lot of sites where you can use to remove that watermark from video. And here you can see the details from free account. You can get these points every day and able to generate free videos from Seedance 2.0. Also, if you want, you can purchase their paid subscription, which is also good, and you can create unlimited videos because there's no cap for this one. Okay, hope you're gonna like this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.